In this video, we'll show you how to enable and use AirDrop on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, make sure your Samsung phone is updated to the latest One UI. Then go to the Settings app, tap on Connected Devices, and then here tap on Quick Share. In this menu, you will see this option called Share with Apple Devices. Make sure it's turned on. So this feature basically lets you use AirDrop with iPhone, iPads and even MacBooks. Once you have enabled this feature, set the visibility to everyone. Once you have done this, now grab your iPhone and then go to the file that you want to share. So for this example, I'll just share this screenshot. Now tap the share icon and then select AirDrop from the list. Now simply wait for a couple of seconds and your Samsung phone should appear as an available device. Now simply tap on it and you should see this prompt to accept the transfer. Simply tap on accept and the image will be shared via AirDrop. Similarly, you can also send files from your Samsung Galaxy phone to an iPhone, iPad or Mac. So I'll just tap on the share icon here and then select quick share from the list. Now make sure you have enabled AirDrop on your iPhone. So open the control center and then tap on the AirDrop icon. Once your iPhone appears as an available device, simply tap on it and then you need to accept the transfer on your iPhone. So simply tap on accept and the image will be received. So this is how you can use AirDrop on any Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.